Cat's ear plant, also known as flatweed or false dandelion, is high in lutein, and lutein is known to improve or even prevent age-related macular disease, which is an eye disease that causes vision loss. For cat's ear lutein benefits, brew the plant's flowers like any other herbal tea, or make a delicious lunch dish out of the plant stems with flower buds. To make the dish, collect soft ends of stems with flower buds. The stems differ in softness, so just find a place where they break easily. Be aware that fresh juice from broken stems will turn brown and stain your hands, clothes, or even a dish. Rinse the stems in cold water. Fry some bacon. Add the stems to the bacon. You can add them in whole or you can cut them up into pieces. Add salt and pepper to taste and sauté the stems for a couple of minutes until they become soft. Enjoy on its own or with a piece of butter bread.